Put me down! Put me down, you stupid robot! I am not a robot. I am Lord Darkness. And you will bow to me. I am your master. No, you're not. But you guys, the zombies are getting through. Lord Carnage, what do we do? I have no freaking idea. Wherever the hell these portals came from, it's not good. Someone is making these portals, and it's not Brickmaster. He's fighting Chaos Man. Right, right. What the yeetus is going on? Why are the microbots running? I don't know. But there's something in that portal that they're scared of. Look, someone blatantly killed Brickos. And Brickos is a really powerful creation of Brickmaster. Where did the 4 other breakers come from? Hello? I have the power to clone myself. Okay. Whoever's in there, come out with your hands up. You're coming with me, my prey. Where the hell did this portal come from? I don't know. But remember, I'm a retired soldier. I don't fight anymore. Yeah, but whatever happened, it took some of my men. Undead soldiers. Go through the portal. I believe that's our best shot. Okay. But I'm not sure about this multiverse thing. I mean, come on. Where the yeetus is Brickmaster when you need him? I don't know. But right now, we need to do something. Now. Let's go back and take it down. No, no, the zombies are getting in. They're getting in. I'll hit them. What the yeetus? I just drop kicked you off the building. Oh, the yeetus, are you still alive? Sound the sirens. We have to tell Brickmaster. But how? Wait, remember? We just located 2 new brick separators. Remember, we got the brick separator of ideas and the brick separator, which is a green one. I forgot its name. I'm pretty sure it's like the brick separator of shadows or something. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Wait, remember the brick separator of darkness? Why do we still have it? We have the brick separator of light and the brick separator of yeetus. But what do we do? I have no idea. But we have a nuke. What's that gonna do, huh? I don't know. This is not right. Well, can't use all 5 brick separators at once. That could be dangerous. Brick. What is it? Record. I repeat, the brick separator of shadows has been stolen. I repeat, the brick separator of shadows has been stolen. By who? Lord of Darkness. He has returned. I thought I killed him. How? How did he return? Dang. Where is Brickmaster when you need him? I don't know, but war is coming.